I'm Nancy Festarini from Royal LePage Real Estate Services Limited, and welcome to my open house today at 1199 Summerlea Street, located in southwest Oakville. Our lot size is 84 feet across the front and 223 feet deep, backing onto green space for complete privacy. Choose your destination in this backyard sanctuary with mature trees and extensive manicured gardens. Where do you see yourself? Dining under the covered porch or visiting with friends at the outdoor kitchen and bar area, equipped with ice maker and 54-inch Lennox barbecue with rotisserie. Or you can dip in the saltwater pool or relax in the hot tub. This backyard is equipped with an outdoor surround sound system. You can enjoy reading a book while surrounded by nature, or sip wine in the sheltered living room area with stone gas fireplace. Privacy and lush greenery awaits you. No need to travel when you have all this. This is your view while you're enjoying your morning coffee from your master bedroom balcony. This home is over 5,000 square feet, and with the finished basement, it gives you over 7,000 square feet of living space. The driveway can accommodate up to 6 cars, and our double-car garage can be equipped with 2 car lifts. Summerlea is a very quiet and child-friendly street. Now, let me take you inside. We have cathedral and 10-foot ceilings throughout the main floor, an extra wide wrought iron staircase. Separate dining room with coffered ceilings, perfect for private dining. This custom-built home has a fully equipped gourmet kitchen with sub-zero stainless steel stand-up freezer and separate fridge, marble backsplash, granite countertops, 6-burner Decor gas stove, and a 48-inch double oven, 2 Miele dishwashers, Viking built-in microwave, and Miele built-in coffee system. The butler pantry features pocket doors and a wine cooler. Second front entrance leads you into the mudroom with extra closets and sink. Solid oak hardwood floors throughout the main floor and second level. The open concept eat-in kitchen overlooks the great room with gas fireplace, and also 4 sets of French doors leading you into your oasis backyard. Welcome to this fabulous sunroom with extra large windows, French doors, and pocket doors for privacy. This home also features 2 powder rooms on the main level. Main floor office that can also be converted into a main floor bedroom. The second level features 4 bedrooms and a large master bedroom with 2 sets of French doors leading to your private balcony. This is your walk-in dressing room, and welcome to your 5-piece spa-like ensuite. With a double-sided gas fireplace, perfect for those cool winter evenings. Bedrooms 2 and 3 have ensuite privileges to a 4-piece washroom. Bedroom number 4 features a walk-in closet and its own 3-piece ensuite. Large and bright second-floor laundry room with laundry sink for your convenience. All of the audio and visual equipment is included. That's including 13 televisions throughout the home. This fully finished basement is a sports lover and entertainer's dream. Equipped with wet bar, draft beer fridge and pump, ice maker, 2 dishwashers, and a lot of cabinet space. The basement also features an HD projector with a 120-inch screen and a hookup for your favorite gaming system. It also features 2 stand-up wine fridges and a true bar fridge. There is a 5th bedroom, a soundproof room for the avid entertainer, and a gym with Nike floors, and of course a beautiful 4-piece washroom with heated floors. This home has many features, as well as a UV water filtration system, and it's also equipped with a surge panel, as it's smart wired throughout. It's controlled by 3 Apple iPads and 2 wall-mounted touchscreen control panels. I hope you've enjoyed my open house today at 1199 Summerlea. Contact me to book your private showing. No need for travel when you have all this. Your entertainment home in the city and cottage in the backyard.